Welcome to North Star Power. This is an instructional video for the adjustment of an over-center clutch or PTO. The equipment must be shut down, cool and isolated before any such maintenance procedures are undertaken. Workplace health and safety WHS protocols must be adhered to and all personal safety measures implemented, including all PPE is appropriate and worn. The only precise way to adjust the clutch is with the use of a tension wrench. The supplied handle is equipped with a hex on one side. This hex should be facing out or away from the clutch so as a tension wrench and socket can be used. Determine the make and model of your unit. Obtain the correct minimum and maximum engagement torque values by referring to the nameplate fitted or using the correct maintenance manual for your make and model. Set the tension wrench to the minimum value shown. Make sure the clutch is in the disengaged position. Using a properly fitting socket, place the tension wrench on the hex of the handle. Apply pressure with the tension wrench. Should the tension wrench click off before the clutch over-centers, clunk, then the unit is above the minimum setting. No adjustment may be necessary. Proceed to the maximum value check shown later in this video. If the clutch over-centers before the tension wrench clicks off, then it needs to be adjusted as it is below the minimum setting. Should adjustment be required, make sure the equipment is isolated and cannot be started. Remove the inspection plate. Disengage the clutch. Rotate the output shaft until the adjuster lock mechanism becomes visible. Depending on your make and model, it can either be a pin, push-in pull-out type, or a bolt and keeper. WPT, ZF, twin disc, PEC and GP units in sizes of 11.5 inches and above have a push-in pin configuration. 6 to 10 inch clutches have a pull-out pin. Rockford and NACD use a bolt and keeper locking system. On this 14-inch unit, to increase the adjustment tension, push in the pin and rotate the adjusting nut in a clockwise direction, 1 notch at a time. Note that on Rockford and NACD units, these need the adjuster to be rotated in a counter-clockwise direction. Retest adjustment torque. Keep adjusting until the tension wrench clicks off before the over-centering action occurs. Once this minimum setting has been obtained, reset the tension wrench to the maximum value, as per the nameplate or manual. Once again, make sure the clutch is in the disengaged position. Apply pressure with the tension wrench. This time, the unit needs to over-center before the tension wrench clicks off. Should the unit not over-center, back the adjuster off 1 notch and recheck the setting at both minimum and maximum tension settings. Once the correct setting has been obtained, on NACD and Rockford units, refit the adjustment keeper fully and tighten the bolt. WPT, ZF twin disc and GP make sure the locking pins have engaged fully into position. Refit the inspection cover and remove lockouts. Printable copies of these instructions can be found on our website at northstarpower.com.au, and our staff are here to assist should further assistance be required.